that TRX behind me, how much would it cost you to build this thing from scratch? Of course, you could get entered to win it at Foutz 4x4, but let's see how much it costs to build Cerberus or RAM 1500 TRX. For starters, this is a 2022 Level 2 TRX, which means you get all the bells and whistles, heated and cooled seats, and the tow package with these awesome tow mirrors, Pano sunroof, leather seats, and of course that legendary Hellcat underneath the hood. Speaking of Hellcats, underneath the hood of this TRX is a 702 horsepower Hemi V8 supercharged to perfection, coupled with an S&B cold air intake and AWE exhaust. It's pushing over 740 horses, baby. Now what makes this thing an off-road vehicle? Let me show you. The TRX's legendary Blackhawk adaptive E2 suspension is what powers this beast. No matter what driving condition you're in, it is gonna handle it. But we had to put a little bit more springs on there in order to fit those monster 37-inch meats. That's where Geiser comes in with a 3-inch lift. Getting underneath this thing is a breeze with those 37-inch Cooper Rugged Trek all-terrain tires coupled with the fuel variant wheels. This thing is lifted to perfection. Not only does it perform great on the road, off the road, it is unmatched, and those who are vertically challenged have these beautiful OEM side steps that can get you in and out of this vehicle easily. They also couple has some great rock sliders. Ooh, you see those ambers on there? We got the Taser programmer giving you the full array of amber awesomeness, plus some LP6s in that ADD off-road front bumper and LP4s on the side here that are extremely, those are really bright lights, really bright lights. In order to give you maximum clearance, we put this ADD Off-Road Bomber Series bumper on it, the best looking TRX bumper in the business. Houses those 3 LP6 lights, and you can run over like 4 or 5 dead bodies without even noticing. The butt of this truck is looking real nice with that ADD Off-Road Stealth Fighter bumper, AWE exhaust, tow package, and of course, a tonneau cover, full Rhino line truck bed. This thing flips up with ease, so you could still do truck things. Full-size spare is also included. I don't know what else you could ask for, but the butt of this thing is looking real nice. So one thing we don't talk about a lot is the 2 10-inch JL subwoofers in the back of this TRX, plus a 1,000-watt amplifier. Get in and listen to this thing. I don't even know if it's gonna pick it up, but it is impressive. Yeah, it's loud. It's loud. It's very loud. It's good though. From head to toe, this RAM 1500 TRX would cost you $128,000 to build on your own. Why do that? Just go to Forge4x4.com, where if you become a member for just $12.95, you're automatically entered to win this beast. Someone's gonna win it. Quick shout out to Deutsch Off-Road. They're the masters who have built this incredible rig. We couldn't have done it without them, so make sure you support them by going to DeutschOffroad.com. In the meantime, good luck. This thing ends on June 8th, so get entered before the deadline because it is not gonna drive itself. Almost got it. Take 2. 10-inch jail. You remember when this guy was? Gosh, Jesus.